Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds SOUNDCORE SPORT X20. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold this button at the charging case for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flash rapidly 3 times. So press and hold on it. Here we go, we have it. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, and just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!